Alright guys, so we have this problem with this Equinox. All Equinoxes have this problem. Dorman actually makes the part to fix it. So I'll show you what happens on this side because we already took the other side apart. You just gotta listen. Hear that? So we already have it out. This is the old one. This is what the problem is. You'll have 2 nuts there and 2 bolts there. This is the new one, and the Dorman part number is 924-150. This is only for the driver's side. That's why we're not fixing the passenger side. So Wayne's going to show you how he took it apart because we already diagnosed it. So it's already been apart. So we just kind of have it mocked up to show you what's going on here.
First of all, there's a screw. If you can see in here, pop that little basket out. Pull this strip's just clipped in. Pull that out. There's a bolt in here. Bolt over here. Take that out, and then just start from the corner and pull your clips out. All you gotta do is really just pull on the panels, and I take a screwdriver, pry the panel away from the door. You pop this cover off. You can use a screwdriver in your hands. You can just pop it right off. And then I just rest it out of the way because when you lift these panels, you gotta actually pull them out and then also up, and then they unlatch. Those are the clips. So you just kind of gotta muscle them out a little bit without busting them off. Yeah, you see, you can't really mix it up, otherwise you're gonna be way out of whack. So, I'm gonna have it. Just to hold it in place. Got them too. You're really not going to move this part easy, so it's actually easier probably just to move the door to where you need it to be. Because you want to have the door, of course, you're going to have the door open while removing it. Alright, now I just got to get a 10mm socket. I'm actually using a universal. I can usually get in there pretty good. I'm just going to use the impact gun, pop it back together. This guy out of your way. You'll feel the door. It's kind of... As soon as you get yourself lined, you'll feel it kind of... Give it a light tap. Just like going like this. And he just clips back in to go inside here. Then, after you got them bolts tight, you can see the clips. Actually, you want to put this in like that, get that latched in. And there's that guy.
Alright guys, let's test it out, see if it works. Oh my god, no more clicking. Alright guys, so if this video helped you, please leave a like and a comment down below. Also, as always, a link in the description to our Backwoods Customs decals on eBay in our store. Please help support our channel, buy a couple decals, hit that like button a couple times, leave a comment, and I hope we'll see you on the next one, and I hope this helped you out guys. Thank you so much for watching.